Amid a surge in both gun violence and ownership, the United States has seen over 1 million firearm fatalities over the past 3 decades, with the death rate reaching a 28-year high in 2021. There were 1,110,421 deaths related to firearms in the country from 1990 to 2021, nearly 86% of them among males, according to a recent study released in the JAMA network Open. The death rate per 100,000 people per year, after reaching a low of 10.1 in 2004, began to climb back up, eventually increasing by 45.5% to 14.7 in 2021. Firearm fatalities accelerated dramatically during the COVID-19 pandemic, said Eric Fliegler, one of the authors, who takes the responsibility for the integrity of the data and the accuracy of the data analysis. Multiple potential factors have likely contributed to this, including severe economic distress, an erupting mental health crisis, and a significant uptick in the sale of firearms, said the Associate Professor of Pediatrics and Emergency Medicine at Harvard Medical School.